Hey babes, it's Trenaejxo, aka Trenaejxo. Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today, as you can tell by the title, I have another Walmart lookbook. This time I wanted to do summer stuff. My last Walmart lookbook was featuring spring items. It was a spring lookbook for spring outfit ideas. This time it's summer stuff, and I feel like I'm super excited about this video. Like, I feel like I snapped. All the looks in this video are giving what needs to be gave. Okay, so while we're here, make sure that you like this video, leave a comment if you enjoyed the outfits, let me know which one was your favorite, and make sure you hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed to my channel already. And if you want to be notified every time I upload a video, just make sure you click that little bell that's next to the subscribe button. That way you'll never miss out on any of my uploads. I'm super excited for you guys to see what I picked up, so let's get into the video. If you've watched any of my Walmart videos thus far, then you know that I don't just shop in the women's section. I actually don't just shop in the women's section at any store. Walmart is no different. So first up, we have these printed shorts. They're actually swimming trunks. But I was like, these would make really, really cute lightweight shorts for summer. They're colorful. They are really comfortable and lightweight because they are like that swim short, board short type of material. I really like the cut. So one thing that I've noticed when it comes to like men's shorts is depending on where you get them from, the leg can be cut really slim or really straight. And I don't particularly like that. I like to have like a looser fit when it comes to shorts. I'm really particular about buying men's shorts. And they did have a lot of other styles, but none of them were really in the cut that I liked. So I was really, really, really happy when I found these. I know that they came in other colors, but this was the only color that came in the size that I wanted to get. So I got these in a size large, and these are by the George brand, and they were $9.98. I really could have done a medium because they're a tad bit bigger in the waist than I would like for them to be, but it was no biggie because I like myself oversized. Y'all know that. We know that. So for this look, I also picked up this pack of wife beaters, and these are actually in children's size. I got a size extra large. It's just a pack of ribbed tank tops. I got the extra large because I wanted them to be, I got the kid size because I wanted them to be like super snug. I was gonna get a men's small, but I still felt like it may not have fit exactly the way I wanted it to. Although a men's small and a boy's extra large, is that the same size? But anyway, I just figured that I would go with the kids because it would be super small and tight and fitted like I wanted it to. So all I did was just cut this to make it cropped. And then I also paired my white and yellow Air Force Ones. I really like that look with the sweatshirt draped over the shoulder. So I just played up the colors in the shorts and just draped this pink sweatshirt over my shoulder. The canvas toe is definitely a summer bag. This is a summer look. This is something that I'll probably wear around to like run errands. Maybe, or some kind of like outside outdoor event. I don't know, maybe like a concert or like a picnic, or maybe like some kind of outdoor festival or something like that. I tend to get cold, so I know like at nighttime I may get a little chilly, so it's nice to have the sweatshirt thrown over just as an accessory, and if I get cold, I can just throw it on. Okay, so if you don't get anything else from the men's section, you definitely need to check out their graphic t-shirts because they're super cheap. I think they're all like between $8 and $10. With t-shirts, I wear them a lot, so I wear through them fast. So I'm constantly always wanting to buy new ones. So this time around, I picked up this Nirvana T-shirt. I've seen this T-shirt for a while, and in a lot of different places, a lot of different stores carry this shirt. I don't know why I never picked it up, but yeah, I finally got it today. I love the contrast of the black and yellow. The smiley face is super cool. And of course, I got this in an extra large. For this look, I actually just paired that T-shirt with these black biker shorts that I also got from Walmart. These are the Scoop brand, and I got them in a size small. I really like these. The only thing that I don't like is this part around the thigh is like kind of tight. It doesn't really give as much as the actual like shorts part does. I don't know. So that's the only thing that was a little bit uncomfortable. So yeah, if you're ever in the need really quick for biker shorts, you can get them at Walmart. I know they came in other colors as well. So in the summertime, this is like my uniform: an oversized t-shirt and biker shorts and sneakers. It's so hot in the summer that I really just don't even want to be bothered with putting on an actual outfit. I'm running around, I'm sweating, it's hot, like I just don't have time. So if you see me on a day-to-day running around, or just even if I'm lounging around the house, like literally this is what I wear every day of the summertime if I'm not going anywhere. An oversized t-shirt and biker shorts. I love, like, I live in this. The great thing about this is it's one of those like chill, relaxed, it's still like that athleisure kind of look, but you still look cool because you have the oversized t-shirt. It's effortless, and you can play up the accessories to like dress it up and make it more of your style. You can wear sandals with it. You can wear heels if you wanted to with it. You can wear sneakers like I have. Super comfortable, super chill, and it's easy to throw on, and it keeps me cool on summer days when I'm running around. So next up, from the women's section, they have this brand called Free Assembly, which is really, really cute stuff. I don't know if like the quality is better. It costs a little bit more, I think, than the regular like Walmart brands. So I don't know if this brand is exclusive to Walmart or if it's like a freestanding brand and Walmart just carries them. That's something that I would have to look into. So I don't know. If y'all know, let me know in the comments. But I picked up this cute set. I love this print. This is like that. It reminds me of like the, I think it's called banana leaf print. Really tropical. I love the color combo. They also carry this these pieces in different colors. I think like 2 or 3 other colors, but this was my favorite. So it just comes with these really cute shorts that have pockets. They have a drawstring. I love that it has a really thick waistband that's elastic, so that's nice. I got these in a size small and they were $18, and then it has a matching top. The top is kind of like that baby doll style almost. Spaghetti strips that are adjustable, and it has an elastic across the back. I also got this in a size small, I think. Yeah, I also got the top in a size small, and this was $16. So altogether, I mean, a set under $40, and it's super, super cute. Now, as you can see in the try-on clip, the outfit that I put together does not include the top. I didn't love how the top fit. So the only thing about the top is I really think it's super cute, but I didn't love how it fit on me, just I guess maybe because of my proportions. I don't know, like the back part was too loose, and then I also feel like I would have liked this part to be longer, like just where it hit wasn't really flattering on me, but depending on your proportions, it might work better for you. I just didn't care for it on me, but I still think it's a super cute top, and I feel like this is something you could find in like, I don't know, H&M or Zara, or even like on Revolve. Walmart's really stepping their game up, guys. But this outfit here, I love the shorts. The shorts fit me so good. So yeah, that was a score. And I just paired them with a white bodysuit, or like this off-white bodysuit, and these metallic heels. This outfit I definitely would wear to like brunch or a cute like day party vibe, you know. I think it was super cute. Even like on vacation in Miami, this would be a cute outfit for like going out or something, to maybe like dinner. Love this outfit, super cute. Walmart is snatching edges, okay? Like, I don't know what has gotten into Walmart, all right? But they doing it. Whatever needed to be done, they're doing it. All right, so I also got these denim shorts from the brand Free Assembly, and I thought that these were super cute. I love the wash of them, and I like this cuffed hem, and I like where they fit. They're a little bit of a longer length short, which I really like now. These were $18, and I got these in a size 6, but they didn't fit great. So I think I'm going to exchange these for a size 8 because I really like the shorts. But the size 6, the denim isn't as soft as I would like it to be, so it doesn't really like contour to my body how I thought that it would. So, I mean, but it's no biggie. I'll just go up a size. Like the size 6 kind of flattens my butt. And I don't really have much of a butt to begin with. So I can't have anything flattening it even more than, you know, what's already going on. So just, you know, if you're a little bit curvy, maybe you want to look out for that. Maybe you want to size up. But either way, the denim is heavy. Like, it's a really heavy denim. It just doesn't give a lot. It does have some stretch, but not a lot. And so yeah, the quality feels really good. It's a good price. I mean, another piece that I got out of the women's section by the brand Free Assembly is this cute dress. Obviously you wouldn't be able to see the whole thing, but you'll be able to see it in the try-on clip. Like, this dress is super cute. It's one of those dresses that I feel like it reminds me of like a Zimmerman kinda inspired dress, or like you know, something that you would find at Zara or H&M really did these like a summer ago, last summer, this summer too. This style of dress is just really in. It's like one of those baby doll kind of dresses. Again, something that you would see on Revolve. Like, and this was $39, a little pricey for Walmart, I must admit. But I mean, in comparison to something that you would see like on Revolve, I feel like this is a better, obviously this is a steal. This dress on Revolve would be like literally 3 times the price. So it's really cute. It's black. I know that it came in another color. I don't remember what the other color was though. So I'm sorry about that. But it has tie straps, and as you can see, like it's that T length, so it hits like right around the lower calves and ankle area. Super, super, super cute. Okay, I love this dress. I think it's so cute. I don't have anything like this. I was always afraid of this like silhouette because I didn't think it would be that flattering on me, but I really like it. This outfit, I wanted to like dress it up, so I probably would wear this to like, again, a brunch. Even like if I was going to like a casual summer wedding, honestly, I probably would wear this dress as well. Something like some kind of like outdoor event, maybe a birthday party that's like outside, any kind of like daytime dressy event, I would wear this. This dress would be great for vacation, easy to throw on like over top of a swimsuit. It's really comfortable, really soft. So all right, so next up I have this, the camera's kind of washing it out, but it's this pink like netted crochet style sweater thingamabobby. Okay, it says sweater tank. So yeah, I think it's really cute. This isn't, again, something that I probably normally wouldn't gravitate towards, but I think it's really cute. I love how it has like the scalloped hem edge detail. Really nice for summer. I love the color. I think the color is really pretty, and I wouldn't normally buy anything like this color, so it's nice to have. I got this in a size small, but I do think I do think I could have sized up to maybe a medium in this, just because it would have felt a little bit more, or even a large maybe, just to give it more of like, you know, a different vibe, a different fit. But I still like it nevertheless, and this was $20, and this is by the brand Scoop. So yeah, it's pretty decent weight. Like, it doesn't feel like super poor quality. The quality is really good to me. I feel like for it to be from Walmart, I mean, the quality is really good. So as you can see here in the try on clip, I just paired it with these lilac trousers and some flat sandals. This would be something that you could wear to like lunch, or, you know, on a cute like date where you're going to be like walking around, doing a lot of walking. That would be nice. But you can easily pair that tank with like some denim shorts, white pants, white shorts, a white skirt. I feel like the options are endless. The last thing I picked up was this dress. It's another dress, and this is by the brand Scoop as well. This is one of those same like tiered ruffle dresses. Super cute, very chic. I got a size medium. I may have even been able to go up to a size large, honestly, just because I feel like in the like chest area or like bust area is a little tighter than what I would like. But if I would have went up to a large, I was afraid that the bottom, like the body of it, would have been way too big, and it would have looked like a tent. So so it's okay. It's not a maxi dress. Again, it hits like at that T length, which is like around the ankle, like in between the calf and the ankle. And this is called the Scoop Trapeze Midi Dress. It's in like this cream ivory. The material is like kind of linen-y, or like that gauzy like material. It has the 2 ties here, which I think are a really nice detail. And I just have them open if you want to use the tie. But yeah, I think this dress is super cute. So I paired this with my little beret and a crossbody bag and some sneakers. The crossbody bag is to help give it more shape if you feel like you buy something oversized. If you feel like you buy something oversized and it's kind of like not really giving it shape, put on a crossbody with it, like across your body, and it'll help to give it more shape and help it to look a little bit more flattering if that's something that concerns you. I picture myself in like running around in Paris or something with this. I don't know, maybe it's the beret, but I thought this was super cute, very chic and fun. So I thought this, I mean, and this isn't something that I would normally wear, but I feel like I want my style to be more along the lines of this, like more tailored, more chic, more like fashionista. I don't know. Yeah, and this dress is like super comfortable, super lightweight. I think it's a perfect dress for summer, a nice vacation dress again. You could take it like even to like a tropical type of vacation, wear it with sandals, pair it with heels. Totally up to you. How did I do? How did I do? Just let me know. Just let me know what you're thinking about this lookbook, because I feel like, again, I slept. I was super excited about this. I feel like I found some really good things. Walmart is doing some good things right now when it comes to their clothes. So yeah, this video was super fun to make. And again, let me know in the comments which look was your favorite, or what piece was your favorite. If you're considering purchasing anything, let me know. I will try to link what I can in the description box. It's just that sometimes Walmart's website is a little funny. But if you're ever in Walmart, do not be afraid to mosey on over to the clothing department just to see what they have. I mean, you may find some stuff you like, you may not. But if you're in there picking up your groceries or picking up your household supplies, just, go walk past the clothes department and see if you can find anything. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video today as much as I did. I had so much fun making this. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And until next time, babes.